What's up, everybody? Craftsman here. I went shopping today. Show everybody what I got. Because I got cable TV in here. Went and got me a wall jack. Oh, and I put more plugs in, so went and bought these cheapest plugs that you can get. These are like they're 49 cents. I got 3 of those. Got a light switch here. $1 something. I gotta make sure these will work. I'm pretty sure these work. These are actually conduit. Electrical conduit is where I found these at. These are 1/2 inch. That should hold my tower up pretty good. And then I got something for me puppy dog. Got me she ain't no 150 pound, that's for sure, but 75 feet. Come with 10 feet dog tie out. Yeah. I think this was like almost $30. Good deal though, because it come with all the hardware, I thought. Instead of buying, make your own cable or whatever. So, I thought that. And this only came with a 10 foot. So, I spent another $12, $14 for a 20 foot with swivel ends. So, hopefully she won't get tangled up. Until we can get her a fence. Let's see if that'll work. Till the next vid, the Craftsman, and I'm gone.